Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. And if you are using iOS, just go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So just click on this. So this is the feed that arrives when you open your Likee app. So now you need to go to plus sign, which is in the bottom side. Just click on the plus sign. So right after that, you can see here upload, which is in the right side. Just click on the upload. So you can see here in the top videos and photos. So I'm going to just upload a video here. So click on the video and click on next. So now you can upload this video by just texting here any subtitle, or you can just write anything here, or you can use any filter and enhance the video, or just edit here by clicking on the downside. You can use many tools here and select a music also. And click on the next. So now you can write here description and use hashtag here, or use your title and cover here by selecting yourself. And you can just choose here only I can view, or just only me, or public, or many options. So now just go to save and your video is being uploaded. So in this way, you can just upload video on Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.